Charlani here. Thanks so much for tuning in to Charlani TV. Today, I am going to show you how I make our roast potatoes. These are absolutely a staple in our house. Very, very easy to make. Just a few seasonings, and you don't even have to use all four that I use. You could just use two, even maybe one of the two, but really easy to make. So first of all, extra virgin olive oil, start with this, and then garlic sea salt. So if you've watched any of my food meal recipe videos before, you guys know I love garlic sea salt. This is the Morton brand. I get it at Target. I'm sure you can get it in lots of other places, but this is my absolute favorite seasoning that I use on just about everything. Now, just this with your extra virgin olive oil, you're good to go. But if you want a little bit more flavor, you can also add in black pepper. This is fine black pepper opposed to coarse. And if you want to use coarse pepper, you absolutely can. And the wonderful thing about this is that you can add whatever seasonings you want. As much or as little, you do it to taste. So the first time you do it, you're kind of eyeballing it. And then next time you do it, you'll know if you want a little less garlic sea salt, a little more thyme oregano blend, or rosemary. So these are the seasonings that I'm going to use today. And I will tell you that our house right now smells amazing. And these, like I said, are one of our weekly staples. And what's really cool too is that you can cook these like even only halfway. And then when you're ready, like in the next couple of days, you can just pop them right back into your oven so that they're a little like they're oven fresh. Or you can even pop them into your air fryer and finish them off when you're ready to eat them. Or I just cook them up all the way, and when I'm ready to eat them, over these next couple days, I'll store them in an airtight container in our fridge, and then when I'm ready for it, I'll just pop a cup of them in our air fryer and they'll be ready to go. And they're nice and crispy on the outside and yummy and soft on the inside. So if you want to know how I make our roast potatoes, then just keep watching. I mean, look at that. How awesome do these look? Our favorite roast potatoes for sure. Super easy to make, really, really quick, really, really yummy.